This is not a garbage can. This is actually a towel warmer bucket. On the front panel, there's a power button to turn the towel warmer on, and then there is a low heat and a high heat option. There's also a 15, 30, 45, and 60-minute timer that you can set, and then it auto shuts off after that. The bucket comes with a lid with a nice large handle that you can lift off the bucket. So when we're not using the towel warmer, we just keep the power cord inside, and you can see it's pretty long. I'm just going to plug this thing in and then I'll show you how easy it is to use this towel warmer. Just throw your towels in. There's actually plenty of room to throw in several towels or some plushies, a small blanket, and even your clothes or your PJs if you wanted to. When I power on the towel warmer, the panel lights up so you can choose your heat level, and then I set a timer. Once that's done, just put the lid back on. We use our towel warmer not just for winter, but also in the summertime because when you're coming out of the outdoor pool into a cold air conditioned space, it's nice to have a warm towel to wrap yourself in. This towel warmer takes less than a minute to heat up, and wow, these towels are really nice and super toasty warm. And I like how portable this towel warmer is. It's lightweight enough that I can move it from room to room, and it takes up very little space on the floor as well.